making a tie-dye shirt. So you're gonna need some colors. These colors, you're gonna need some colors. You're gonna need 2 bottles of water. We're making these into squirt things. And then you're gonna need a huge thing of vinegar, which I can't lift, but okay, a huge thing of vinegar. You're also gonna need a white shirt, any white shirt, anything white. And then you're gonna need a mixing bowl to mix all the ingredients or to make this shirt vary from white to very colorful. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to need to pour half of the water in the mixing bowl, and then we're going to need to pour half of the vinegar in the mixing bowl. Okay, so we have the mixture, half of the water and half the vinegar, and now I'm going to drop my t-shirt inside. So we have these bottles, and we need to put 5 or 6 drops of your favorite color in these bottles, and you're gonna need a little bit of water left. So you're gonna empty, and I'm using food colors. You can find these easily in your house. Okay. Put the caps back on, and then you're gonna need a skewer to poke a hole in your water bottles to make them a squirt bottle. Step 3, take out your shirt from your vinegar water mixture. It smells very bad. And now you're gonna have to make some form out of it. So you're gonna need to do this, and then do this, and then do this. Then you're gonna need to roll it like this, and then slowly go towards this. And then you have this circle shape, and then you're gonna need to put your rubber bands around this, and then you're gonna need to add your colors. So step 4, you're going to need to put a rubber band in the middle of your shirt. Then you're going to need to get your colors and then start pouring them on each side of your shirt. So I'm gonna pour a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of blue too. Oh, okay. Step 6. After painting your shirt, you're going to need to put it in a food wrap or plastic bag. And then you need to wrap. If you're putting in a food wrap, you're going to need to wrap it around. And then now let it dry for 7 or 8 hours. So it'll save you in a lot of time. So hello guys, new day, and we have the shirt all nice and wrapped up and dry. We have some salt, and we have a little bit of iced water. So first we're gonna need to unwrap the shirt. However, I don't know how to unwrap the shirt. Can't unwrap the shirt. Where? So take out the rubber band. Yeah, we're gonna take out the rubber band too. It smells bad. Okay, 3, 2, 1, shirt reveal. Haven't seen the shirt. This looks really cool. Okay, now we're gonna put the salt inside and put this inside. And then we're just gonna take it out. Okay, we're just gonna let it soak for a little bit. So guys, here's our shirt. All nice and new out of the salt water after like 1 minute. And you're just gonna need to let this dry for 2-3 hours. So bye.